Good morning class, welcome to our college Sharad Institute of Technology Polytechnic Adrao, Department of Information Technology. Today's 17th lecture on course, that is subject name data structure using C. This is our departmental vision and mission. Okay, read it. Okay, next slide. Syllabus for our course. There are total 5 units. Unit number 1 is already completed. We start our next unit number 2, searching and sorting for 12 marks. In unit number 2, syllabus for there are 2 subpoints, 2.1 searching, 2.2 sorting. In that 2.1, in that linear search and binary search method already completed, and also we start the 2.2 sorting. In there also bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort is completed. In a previous lecture we start the quick sort, and in a previous lecture I given some homework of you. I hope all are completed it. In a previous lecture we start the point quick sort. In that quick sort we studied the concept, syntax, algorithm and example. Okay, next points are continuing in on today's lecture. Okay, in a previous lecture given one example. In this also lecture one given a example on a quick sort. Okay, this example means consider the following list of elements and sort it in ascending order using quick sort. This example is given in a previous sorting techniques, means in a bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort also. These examples are taken, and in also quick sort also these examples are taken. Means one examples are fixed in all sorting methods. That's where you understand how to that sorting using through method that calculate. Okay, so this on another example I am taken, and this is we sort using quick sort. Okay, in a previous lecture also one given an example. This is also right, this example also right. If your choice which example you write in your exam. Okay, this example only taken because in our previous 3 sorting methods we given same example. So this revision type we taken this example. Okay, we also said that pass or iteration, or also said as a step. Okay, any word you use it your way, your wish. Okay, okay, pass or iteration, or also said as a step. Okay, any word you use it. Okay, numbers are 75, 16, 80, 10, 18 and 6. Okay, in that assign the low, that is 0th value, high is the ending value at starting element and ending element of your list on arrays. Okay, and also piot value are initialized as a first element of your list, means 0th element. Okay, in algorithm said that. Okay, what is our algorithm of quick sort? In that assign the low, high means, and also 2 pointers are used, I and j. These are also assigned. I assigned to starting index, j assigned to ending index, piot as assigned to as a first element of array, means 0th element of array, are also known as the low, array of low also. Okay, what is your technique of this sorting algorithm, or what is the algorithm? Okay, in that algorithm is that first initialize the piot element, after that I and j pointers are initialized, I as a starting and j as a ending. After that I is increment up to condition 1 in condition there, which condition a of r is is less than or equal to piot, okay, up to I increment, and j, when j are decrement one by one, whenever this condition is that a of j greater than piot, okay. And also one another condition is that when I less than j, means when I increment stop and after that j in decrement is stop, that time that I and j pointers values are swap it, okay. And also that check it I is less than j, okay. Whenever I is greater than j, that time we swap the a of j and piot element, okay. After that piot element is swapped, that then the two splitting the array in two parts, left sublist and right sublist. After that particular sublist as a consider as a one list of array, and also apply this technique repeat, okay, means recursively. So said that in the quick sort we use the divide and conquer approach, okay. Clear that? Revision it, that algorithm, okay. So okay, now solve this example, okay. In that piot is initialized, I pointer, j pointer is initialized, after that high and low also initialized, okay. We will increment I up to condition a of I less than is equal to piot. This is the description, means this is description of this sentence. This is not a fix, it is right same as right in your example. No, this sentence in your words you also write it, okay, no problem, okay. But steps or techniques or algorithms are follow it, okay. We will increment I up to condition a of I less than piot. After this pass 2, means firstly I is assigned to the 0th location, it is 0th location, 1 location, 2, 3, second, third, 4th and 5th, okay. Total there are 6 elements, so fifth element, up to 5th position numbers are stored or elements are stored. In a pass 2, I position increment means I pointer is incremented because condition is true. We will increment I up to condition a of I less than is equal to 5. In that I is the 16 is less than 75, condition is true, so increment the I pointer. After that in a pass 3, we will stop increment I because condition a of I less than is equal to piot is false. Means what? I is incremented by 1, means ith position is incremented, 0, 1, first position as a I pointer, but in that 80 is less than is equal to 75, no, it is condition false, so stop the increment. So decrement j up to condition, which condition? A of j greater than piot, okay. Then next pass number 4, in that we will stop the decrement j because condition a of j greater than piot is false, that is 6 is greater than 75, it is condition not a true, so not a decrement the j, okay. So swap a of I and a of j, okay, because the I is also increment stop, j is decrement is stop, then and check it I is less than j, then swap the I and j, and up to a is greater than j means I is greater than j means j is cross to I, that time swap the jth value and piot value. Clear that? When swap the I and j and when swap the piot and j, okay. When I is less than j, ith position is less than jth position, means what? Ith position which position, which mean how many number, position 0, 1, 2 position is I, 3, 4, 5 position is j, so in that 2 is less than 5, okay. Position number, clear that? Array position number, 2 is less than 5, okay. So in that swap I and j, and when j is cross to I, means for example j is in that place, okay, in 16 number, means 0, 1 and it is 2, means in that 2 is greater than 1, okay. So in that time swap piot and j, clear that? When swap the I and j and when swap the piot and j, these only 2 points, and after that I increment decrement condition is clear. Okay, only for these four conditions, I increment condition, j increment condition, after when I and j swap, and when Poet and j swap, that 4 points are clear, then you easily solve the example. Okay, it is the important method, sorting method, that quick sort. Okay, so continue our point. We will stop the decrement j because a of j greater than poet is false. Means what? 6 is greater than 75 its condition not true. So stop the decrement j. Then swap the a of I and j. Means 80 and 6 are swapped because position of I is less than position of j. Clear that point? In a pass 5, in that swap that 6 and 80. Seen it. Okay. We will increment I up to condition a of I less than is equal to poet. In that 6 is less than 75. So increment the I. Okay. After 6 pass. Okay. Pass number 6. In that I is increment by 1. We will increment I up to condition a of I less than is equal to poet. In that a of I is 10. 10 is less than 75. Condition is true. So increment I pointer. In a 7th pass, in that I position is incremented. We will increment I up to condition a of I less than is equal to poet. Clear? Is that a of I which main number? 18. Poet 75. So in that 18 is less than 75. Condition is true. So we will increment I pointer. Okay, in that check it. Step or pass, any word you use it. Pass 8, in that I is incremented. We will stop increment I because condition a of I less than is equal to poet is false. Means 80 less than is equal to 75. This condition not true. So it is false. So stop the increment of I. So decrement j up to condition a of j greater than poet. In that j is decremented. We will stop decrement j because condition a of j greater than poet is false. Okay, means what? 18 greater than 75 is condition not true. Okay, so decrement of j is stop. So swap a of j and poet. Okay, why there is the swap the j and poet? Because j is crossed to I, that is I is greater than j. So swap the jth value and poet. Clear that? In that swap the a of a and j because in that I is less than j. Clear that? Okay, swap a of j and poet, that is swap 18 and 75. Clear that? Because position of I is greater than position of j. Okay, means what? In that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth position is I, fourth position is j. So fifth position means fifth position I is greater than 4, 5 greater than 4. So we swap the 18 and 75. Yes, next pass or step or iteration, any word you use it. Okay, your choice. Okay, pass number 10. In that swap the 18 and 75. In that 18 and 75. In that poet is swap. So poet is inserted. So we will now split the array into two parts. Okay, the left sublist will contains the element less than poet. Okay, what is your poet? 75. Clear that? Means in a left side, left sublist we will elements are less than poet, means 70 less than 75, and right sublist contains elements greater than poet. In a right sublist are the greater than poet, their elements in a list. Okay, so we will now start the sorting left sublist, assuming the first element of left sublist as a poet element. Thus now we sorry, thus now new point is 18. In that means what? In that we use you use the sort in a left sublist. Okay, in a right sublist only one element is there, so in that no any sorting method is used. Okay, and in this 18 is the pivot element, I is for 6, I pointer and j pointers are inserted, I for starting, j for ending. In a pass 11 that shows that. Okay, 18 as the pivot, I is assigned to low, j is assigned to high. In that high is, okay, in our algorithm said that when left sublist is used, that time is changes. Okay, in that j position, okay, means in that j, in that I pointer, okay, in that your j pointer, okay, in that low is fixed, high is not fixed, sorry, low is fixed, high is not there in that left sublist. That time we j minus 1 position, that is high. In our algorithm said that. Okay, means your function is repeated in also program we seen that. Okay, means that time high, how to calculate in a left sublist, j minus 1, and when we right sublist is sorted, that time your high is fixed. Okay, in a previous lecture, in a previous example, in first example we say that. Okay, that time high value something there is there. Okay, that time low is not present, that time how to calculate that low? This is the j plus 1 means low, and high is any in that number. Okay, in a 11th pass we will increment I up to condition a of I less than is equal to pivot. In that increment I, okay, I is 18 and pivot is 18 is equal to, okay, so in that I is incremented. Why there the condition is equal to there? That's way. Okay, because I first position also I and also pivot, so their condition is I less than is equal to pivot. Next pass 2, I is incremented, we will increment I up to condition a of I less than is equal to pivot. Okay, that 16 is less than 18, condition is true, so increment I. In a pass 13 we will increment I up to condition a of I less than pivot. That I means your 6 element, 6 is less than 18, condition is true, so I is incremented. In a pass 4 now we will decrement j up to condition a of j greater than pivot. Okay, 10 is also less than 18, but your sorting elements is finished. Okay, so now we decrement j one by one. Okay, but stop the decrement j because condition of a of j greater than pivot is false, that is 10 is greater than 18. Okay, his condition is not true, so j decrement is stop. So swap a of j and pivot means 18 and 10. Okay, okay, in a pass 15, in that swap the 18 and 10, 18 and 10. Okay, okay, in that 18 and 10 are swap it. In a pass 15 means 18 and 10 are pass it, in that 18 is pivot, so in that occupied its position, is 18 is already occupied the position. Okay, in that also there are split in a two parts, one is the left and it is the right. In a right already 75 is occupied, means there all numbers are automatically occupied the positions, because 18 is only one element, so it is automatically sorted. It is 75 is already occupied its position, so it is already sorted only for sort in a left sublist. Okay, in that also first element as a considered as a pivot I, and j is the last position because 18 is occupied, so sixth element position is the j is pointed, means in that last is the low and in that high, and also same condition is used. How to calculate high? J minus 1 means this is the high. Okay, in that we will increment I up to condition a of I is greater than, is less than is equal to point. In that 10 is less than is equal to 10, condition is true, so I is incremented. That's pass number 16, that we will stop the increment I because condition a of I greater than is equal to pi is false, that is 16 is less than is equal to 10, this condition is false, so stop the increment of I. Also a of j greater than pi is condition false. Okay, that is 6 is greater than 10 is condition is not true, so also stop the decrement of j, so swap the a of I and j, that is 16 and 6 is swap it. In pass number 17, that show it 16 and 6, pass number 17. Okay, we will increment I up to condition a of I less than is equal to pi. Okay, in that 6 is less than 10, so condition is true, so I will be incremented. In a 18th step, in a 18th pass, in that we will stop increment of I because condition of a of I greater than is equal to pi is false, that is 16 is less than 10 is condition false, so increment of I is stop. So decrement of j up to condition a of j greater than pi. Okay, in a 19, in that j is decrement by 1. Okay, is there, show it. Okay, we will stop decrement j because condition a of j greater than pi is false, that is 6 greater than 10 is condition not true, so then stop the decrement of j. Also position of I is greater than position of j, that is cross the j to I, so swap the a of j and pi, means swap the 6 and 10. Clear that? In that why we swap the j and pi, because I is crossed, because that I is greater at I position, position of I is greater than position of j, means 0 1 2, this one position is 2 position, 2 is greater than 1, 0 1 2 means array position, stored array position. Clear that? It is 10 is 0th position, 6 is first position, 16 is second position, so second position is greater than first position, so swap the a of j and pi. When I position is less than j, that time swap the I and j. Okay, so in this swap the 6 and 10. In a pass 20, in that swap, okay, in that swap the 10 and 6, in that 6 and 10 are swapped it. Okay, now means that it is swapped, this means is 10 number or 10 element are also fixed. Okay, occupied the its position. The left sublist now contains the 6, so in that 10 is the pi, then there the two in a two sub list are divided in two parts, left and right. Okay, left and right, but in that 1875 already occupied their position, so in a left side 6 number, in a right side 16, means what? The left sublist now contains a 6 and right sublist contains only 16. Okay, because 1875 already occupied its position. We cannot further subdivide the list, hence list is sorted. How will be sorted? Means which number? 6, 10, 16, 18, 75, 80. Automatically sorted this number. Clear that? How will be sorted these numbers? Okay. Next program, std_connew. There are the hierarchies. Okay, in that function is used. Okay, white quicksort. Okay, the arguments are passed. In a previous semester in a C language, you studied the function chapter. Okay, so in that given that their parameters. Okay, what is your actual parameter, त्यानंतर or variable parameter, that's our concepts are clear in your previous semester. Okay, in that use the quick sort, means in that taking one function, okay, that quick sort. Okay, and also studied their functions category, means no argument no return value, no argument no return value, or no argument no return value. After that, no argument return value, and also return value and argument. Okay, there are 4 categories you already studied it. Okay, in that which category we used? In that no return value and argument, pass the argument. Okay, in that pass your arguments, and it word is indicated white, means no any return value. Clear that? Okay, in that integer a of 20, means in that taking one array, the size is 20, n and I is taking a variables for our program purpose. Clear screen, your window is clear, that output window. In that printf also same thing, there are the 2 functions, printf function for output purpose, scanf function for input purpose, read purpose, and output function. There are 2 types, only for show the message and also actually values are displayed, that time also we printf function. Scanf, in that input the variables, okay, and stored in a n variable. Next enter %d elements, means n variable, for example taking a 6 number, then enter 6 elements. Okay, this message is only for understanding of a user when we given the inputs to program, that time. Okay, for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, it is the condition. Scanf %d address of array of I. Okay, using through address means using through that in a memory location the one by one numbers are stored. Array of I means array of 0, 1, 2 up to. Okay, in that given a for loop, because we use the array means in that numbers are stored more than 1. Okay, means your scanf statement is same for one by one you write, means or you will reduce the writing your input statement. Okay, means scanf statement using through loop. Which loop is used? For loop. Okay, after that in that your function is call. Okay, in your function there are the main 3 points: function call, function definition, okay, and function declaration. Okay, in that function declaration, okay, in that it is function call. Okay, it is in that function definition. Okay, in that function call means or 3 arguments are passed. Which 3 arguments? Okay, your integer, there are 3 data types are passed. In that first is the array, and after that 2 variables, means it is a low and high pointers. Okay, in that array and 0 and n minus 1, means in that first argument array, taking a array means list of values, after that 0 position, after that n minus 1 position. Okay, n minus 1 because starting with 0 position, so your array is complete up to n minus 1. So after that printf /n means new line, the sorted array is there, one by one array is displayed with the function printf using %d. %d is the data specifier. %d is used because we declare the integer variable, array integer variable. Okay, in that one by one array of 0, array of 1, array of 2 up to I minus n, I less than n, means your n is 6 number. So when 6 is less than 6, the condition is false, then you are executing your loop up to their loops are executed one by one. Repeated the printf function means output statement. After that getch, in that function your call, after that your control going on your function definition. Okay, in that actually statements is there. function definition. In that given the variable declaration, okay, local variables int, piot, j, temp and I. Okay, if low less than high, okay, the condition is true. Okay, sorry, first of all pass the variables values, okay, arguments, int array of 20. In a array 20 which numbers are given, that numbers are there taken. Int low, okay, and int high. Low means your 0th position, pass that pass their values. n-1 means your high. Okay, in your example we seen that. So okay, in that array means given the input array, after that 0 means your low value, n-1 means high. Okay, in that variable declaration int piot, j, temp and I. If low is less than high, condition is true. Okay, means low means 0th position, high means ending position, n-1 position is condition true. Then initialize the piot is equal to low, I is equal to low and j is equal to high, means low is assigned to the piot. Okay, which piot means where low, the 0th position value is assigned to piot, also 0th position is assigned to I, and your last position means n-1 location or position value is stored to j. After that, while checking I less than is equal to j, then check while array of I less than is equal to piot and I is less than high, then I will be incremented. In your example we seen that I will be incremented up to a condition I of a of I means array of I is less than is equal to array of j, and also I is less than high means your 0th position, it is ending position. Okay, that time we I is incremented. And while this condition is true, the next condition is check array of j, means whenever I is incremented, this condition. When j is decremented, this condition. Okay, when I and j is swap, when I and j is swap, when this condition means I less than j. Okay, this condition false, this condition false, this condition false means your automatically your j and temp, sorry, j and piot is swap is. Okay, in that means in that your I less than j condition is false, means obviously I is greater than j. That time swap this a of j with piot. Okay, in that I is less than j, then temp is equal to array of I, then array of I assigned to the array of j, and after that array of j is temp, means that swap that number and j. Temporary variable are taken for your temporary I position value are to be stored. Okay, no use the temp variable, then your elements are override to each other. Okay, in j and I same, so taking a temp variable. This point is clear in our previous lectures. After that, when condition is false, which condition? I less than j means I is less than j condition false means I is greater than j. That time swap the piot element and j position, means temp is equal to array of piot is equal to array of j is equal to temp. Okay, and when this is run, it means piot and temp is piot and j position is swap it. After that we use that, means we splitting in a two sublist. Okay, left or right. Okay, when you are control in a left sublist, that time your fixed function is run, this function is run. When your control is in a right sublist, that time which function is run? This function is run, means in that function again call. This means what? In that function call. In that function call, repeat this function is executed, function definition. Okay, again sublist means again this function is call. Okay, this function is run it. Okay, so that in that recursive means repeat the condition, means repeat the algorithm is used. So in that told that, so in that said that conquer. Okay, and divide, splitting the array. So in that said that divide and conquer approach is used. Okay, because this technique are used in this method, sorting techniques. So said that divide and conquer approach is used. Okay, In that, how will we use this function is for left, because in a left sub, when we move the control in a left sub tree, that time low value is fixed. Okay, change your high value means j minus 1, and this call is for right sublist, because in a right sublist means your high position value is fixed, but change your low value is j plus 1. In a middle, j position is inserted means your pivot element is inserted. Okay, your array is left sublist means your array taking for left sublist. In that, in a right sublist control means, or in that taking the right sublist elements. Clear that? It is the function definition. And in that function, when we in that function, first of all control there. Okay, in that function call, in that go to control in there, in the function definition, it is run it. Okay, in that answer is fine. Okay, that we automatically we displays that this your function, sorry, your printf function will display your output. Okay, output there message is enter the size of array. Okay, for example 6, these numbers are taking in a previous examples, previous sorting methods also, in a bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort, and also in a quick sort. These numbers are given, and these examples are taking because you are clear your point. Every time this same examples taking that using through you are clear your point means in how to in different ways to sort these numbers, because your input is same. So next, in that message is enter the size of array. After that enter n element means in that output is enter 6 element. Okay, and in the output the sorted array is, so in that message display the sorted array is /n is used, so 1 by 1 is new line to numbers are displayed. In that /n is also new line display, and in the /n is so first element are also displayed in a new line. Okay, after that advantages and disadvantages. Okay, advantages: it is faster than other algorithms such as bubble sort, selection sort, and insertion sort. Okay, it is faster because in that divide and conquer approach is used, so in that said that it is faster than this remaining 3 sorting, as compared to 3 sorting methods, because in that bubble sort, selection sort, and insertion sort, each elements are sorted by each element, one element are sorted by each elements of that array. But in that quick sort, this NOT technique is used. In that, first of all, pivot element is find out that pivot element position is fixed in an array. After that, in a sub tree, after that sub list, that sub list are sorted. So in that, use divide and conquer approach, so said that it is faster. Okay, after it sort in a place, no additional storage is required as well. Okay, this advantages is in all techniques are used. Okay, means in that no any extra memory are used, only for temporary variables are used. Okay, it's required for means what in minimal storage are required. After that, next advantages, it can be used to sort array of small size, medium size, or large size. Clear that? This sort is used in a whenever your array is small size or in a medium size, and also in our large size also. Remaining 3 sorting algorithms means bubble sort, insertion sort, selection sort. Their advantages is that it is a not means complex to sort when large size. Okay, but in a quick sort it is not a disadvantages, because in that divide and conquer approach is used. So this sorting algorithm is used in a small size also. Using small size, minimum time is required for sorting. In a medium time is some time is more as compared to small size. In a large size also sometimes is required more as compared to medium size, but sorting is early as possible as compared to bubble sort, selection sort and insertion sort. So in that said that it can be used in an array of size small, medium or also large. Okay. After that, disadvantages is that in this sorting, difficulty of implementing the partitioning algorithm, that is complex, means it is a complex or difficulty when implementing the partitioning the algorithms. Means what it is a complex for implementing the partitioning algorithm, means why in that partitioning technique is used. Okay, so it is the some partitioning of algorithm is implementation is difficult. Okay, and it is massively recursive, means in that we use the recursively, means repeat the algorithm, means repeat the algorithm or repeat the method. Okay, means function is used, function calling is used. Okay, means what in that sub array list is also sorted. After that, also split the inner sub arrays in left and right and also to be sorted. So in that state that it is massively recursive, means it is repeated functions or method are called or used. Okay, it is the one disadvantages. Okay, summary of that today's lecture is that in our today's lecture we seen the points, example, program, advantages and disadvantages. In a previous lecture we also point is started quick sort. In a previous lecture quick sort we seen the, after that in concept, after that syntax, algorithm and example. One examples are seen that in a previous lecture, and in this lecture also we seen that one example. After that program, advantages and disadvantages. Okay, this point is large, so I am splitting in a two lectures. Okay, in examples, in a previous lecture examples also write, and in this on today's lectures example also write. Any examples you write in your exam, your choice. Okay, after that homework on today's lecture, continue the assignment number 2, 28 and 29. Okay, in that sort the following numbers in a ascending order using quick sort given numbers. Okay, means in these numbers are taken and we sort that number using quick sort, step by step, pass or iteration, any word you use it. After that we write the advantages and disadvantages of quick sort. For example, question asking for 2 marks. Okay, in that quick sort C program, no any time to asking that question for board exam, only for asking C program for bubble sort, insertion sort or selection sort, only for 3 programs, only for, not a question for asking C program for quick sort also and radix sort also. Okay, only for question asking description in theory part, otherwise any that same, that's like any example using through sorted. Okay, no any time asking for program, but in your future, means any next time to asking, so I am given that point. Okay, here stop our today's lecture. Okay, and in this lecture any doubts is arise, then contact with me, no problem. Okay, means in that video any doubts is arise, then contact with me, no problem. And in through video you are clear that points, then please like and subscribe this video. And one another thing, in our college start this online lectures for you, because for the you already know your COVID-19 or corona, so all are stay home and stay safe, and which facility provided by our college, that take a benefit it, and this study using through online lectures. Okay, once again thank you.